Welcome to the Sembot channel. This tutorial will show you how to combine Sembot with Google Analytics 4 and Google Ads to display key data about your product's sales performance. You'll learn how to use this information to optimize your ad campaigns and increase sales. Real-life example: an online electronics store noticed that sales of certain smartphone models were significantly higher than others. Using Sembot and data from Google Analytics 4 and Google Ads, the store identified these bestsellers and automatically created ad campaigns for them with higher budgets. As a result, sales of these smartphone models increased by 30%. First, make a connection. Go to the Connection tab. We pull analytics data from the Google Analytics 4 channel and Google Ads so that you can make a connection with either of these two channels. Log into your Google account. After logging in, you will see the whole path related to selecting an account and allowing access to the Sembot application. Then from the list, select the account you want to connect to. Select the account. Click Connect. A new connection will appear at the bottom of the list of connections. Once the connection is made, you can go to the Products tab. From this tab, you will be able to view results from the channel, for example, Google Ads. To start, click the Settings column, and since this is a connection to Google Ads, select the columns related to Google Ads. If, on the other hand, you would have made a connection to Google Analytics 4, the data from GA4 will also be displayed here. Now the columns are empty. To fill them in, select the connection from which you want to retrieve data. Select a time range. You have two options: a specific time range or a flexible one. For example, choose the last 90 days. Below that, you have the option to manually select the time range. Click Apply. Now the system completes the table for products that have results in mobile ads. Some columns are empty because the product may be new and no data has been collected yet. This data can be used for an overview to check the result of a product. That is, for example, we see how many clicks a product has had in the last 90 days. You also have the option to check the column with conversions. You can also make rules and optimize the file based on the data you have received. You can do this by adding a filter and applying rules. Click on the More Filters button. Select columns, for example, related to conversions on Google Ads. From scratch, using filtering by analytics, select the connection from which you want to pull results. Select the time range and click Apply. Now filter out, for example, products that have had more than one conversion in the last 90 days. Click Approve. You will see a list of products that have had more than one conversion in the last 90 days. Now on these filtered products, you can apply a rule. You can conclude that since these products have conversions in the last 90 days, you can consider them bestsellers. Therefore, by clicking the Actions button, Create Rule, you can apply a label. For example, on the column Custom Label 0, overwrite this column as Bestseller. And in the future, when generating a campaign, you can use this column Custom Label 0, which is overwritten to the word Bestseller. Thus, you will be able to create a campaign for current bestsellers. In the case shown, we created a rule for the last 90 days, and this last 90-day rule applies to the current day. That is, today to 90 days back, and from tomorrow, the last 90 days. That is, every day you will be presented with the current best-selling products that are covered by this rule. This way, you don't have to go to Google Ads feeds every day to check and verify the results. The same goes for non-converting products. You can, for example, filter out products that have less than one conversion in your chosen period. Then you can redirect such products to a campaign that has a smaller budget or exclude them from the campaign altogether. Thank you for watching our video. Subscribe to Sembot's channel if you want to stay up to date on our marketing solutions and news from the world of technology, performance marketing, and AI. See you in the next episode.